All right, here's my first pigeon. That's the mother of the baby that's inside. Come on, girl. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Get you some food. There you go. And these three I didn't send to the race. This one got hurt. This one came home a day late from the training toss. Didn't get enough rest, and that one got hurt on a training toss. So today's the day of the third race, the Old Bird race. It's 140 miles. And I just, oh, there's a bird right here. That's my second bird coming in. I got one that trapped a little bit ahead of schedule from what I was thinking. It trapped 1,454 yards per minute. And this one's a close second right here. Let's see if this guy, whew, flying like the wind. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on. That's it. She scanned in. Let's see what her yards per minute are. 1431. Very nice. That one there, the first bird in the middle, is the mother of this baby right here. She mated with a black eagle, and I just let him carry on. And see how that one's got a hurt chest right there? I think it hit a power line or something. But anyway, I'm gonna check for more birds. About an 8-mile-an-hour crosswind, so I really wasn't expecting any birds for a little bit while longer, like around 1,200 yards per minute. But these girls really pulled it off pretty good. So hopefully the time is good enough. We shall see. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. It's about I don't know, maybe 68 degrees. A little bit windy. Nice sun shining, not a cloud in the sky.
Okay, we're waiting for our third bird to come in. The first two are already here, and I'm getting some help with some gardening while we're waiting for the birds to come. But we'll be back when we see more.
All right, this is number 3 and number 4 coming in. I think one already trapped, actually. Nope. Comes another one, she says. All right. Coming in good. Those two just trapped in. That's Big Money's daughter and Oscar Van Riel.
Another one flying.
This one's cruising. The hens are doing real good today. She's all excited. Oops, trapped in. Let's see what it looks like. All right, girls, doing great today. Give them a little more food out there. And here's 2 more hens. I think that's 2044, which is her first race. So her first race this year, 140-mile race, and she's returning pretty well. She was breeding for me, and while the other birds had their first and second race, she was just getting trained and getting in shape. So I believe she's in good shape now. And the bird that's with her is a pure Hofken, and she's a pure Husken Van Riel. So nice birds. $13.57. Yeah, that's 2044. Very impressive for her first race. Very, very impressive. And by the way, 1344, that one right there, that pied, is the full sister of the champ. And man, does she produce some tremendous racing babies. I didn't even want to race her because she produces such high quality babies. I didn't want to take a chance of losing her, but I have plenty of babies from her, and I have actually 2 more full nest mates from her, and I still own her parents. So I got to race these birds, so I'm glad I did. Yeah, they're all doing so good today. Check the skyways. From what I noticed, the birds are coming from the correct direction. So they're fighting that wind. I think that's the difference between old birds and young birds. Young birds don't tend to fight the wind like the older ones do. They'll head right into it because they have the experience. There's a couple more. Jensen and a young Husken Van Riel. That's 16011. Very pretty Husken Van Riel. That's the HVR right there, that pied. Really nice bird. And then the red one is the Jensen. So, getting all my hens back. So one of the birds that came in, I just noticed was a cockbird. So he might have had a very good time. Let's check the clock, see how it is on race 2. Oh wow, 1553 yards per minute. That's a good time. That's very good. And I'm down to 1346 yards per minute. So I only got one cockbird with a supersonic speed, and I don't see anything else in the sky. I'm missing 3 hens. Oh, there's one. I'm missing 3 hens. I hope that's 16055 Hubert. No, I don't think it is. It's a good sized bird. It's probably a cockbird. Hopefully, we'll see. No, it's a hen. Oh, it's 3:51. I would have expected that bird a long time ago, but I'm glad to have it back. Actually, she has eggs, but seeing how the hens don't sit on eggs during the day, she probably didn't feel the urgency. This is my second cockbird, just came in, and that's the one that cost me first place last week because it sat on the roof for a good 5 minutes. But he didn't, only sat there for about 30 seconds today. And obviously he wanted a drink, so he came in. Nice HBR. That's my second cockbird. So actually I misspoke before. I only sent 16 cockbirds, and so I'm missing 14 still, and I'm missing 2 hens. So we'll see how it goes. Look at the way he's standing. Oh my god. I guess if I just flew 140 miles, probably more like 160, 170, because he's late, I would probably be standing like that too. You wouldn't think they'd circle so much after flying that far, but apparently, wow. I think that's my little grizzle hen. She's a nut. Sometimes she just goes right to the ground. Is she in already? I don't know where she went. I think she crashed. Oh no, there she is. That's that little grizzle hen. She's about 3 years old, and this is her first year that I'm racing her, and she's in the old bird season. So I'm only missing 1 hen now, and it's a pure Hubin, which was a real good bird last year, but this was its first race this year. The Hubin only raced 4 races on a young bird season, and then I lost so many birds that I just stopped racing after the 4th race. Very light bird. It's always been very thin and light. I think it's just going to keep getting better and better. Wow, unexpected. A group of 5. Possibly one of them's not mine though, because he's acting weird. And actually one already left, so 6 birds there now. But they always act so strange when one of them's not mine. Interesting. Yep. Oh. Nice group of 8 birds now.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hi.
Let's hope they all drop right now. Here we go. Yeah, that was pretty awesome. All my cockbirds, all my slow pokes. There it is. As more birds keep joining up, they keep them up in the air a little bit longer. Get these guys some food. Well, I guess I'll conclude this video now. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Give a thumbs up and please subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.